Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob, and I got a little tool haul for you. I've been actually working on some tool restorations. Um, been cleaning up all those tools from that what the hell did I do tool haul. And what I want to do is get them all cleaned up. Um, I don't know, I've de-rusted most everything that I could. And I'm going to kind of restore them, clean them up. And I think eventually, what I don't keep, I don't know, we'll come up with a plan, but I wanted to kind of clean those up, so I'll have a video or two coming out shortly on those. And anyway, let's check out some of these items I found. Okay, to start off this tool haul, we got this small pair of Domaloy, roughly about 5 inches. And it does say Domaloy. SN54 USA Domaloy. There you go. So this cool pair of vintage Domaloy. Up next is this push drill. It is a Yankee number 45, North Brothers Manufacturing Company. So it did come with some bits. That's broken. Oh, sad. But yeah, it did come with bits. It does work. So that'll be a fun cleanup project. Yankee. Feels like that's Bakelite. Vaco K46 screw holding screwdriver. AT and G Co. Lexa, Arkansas. Did some minor research. This is a tool manufacturing company, and they started out in Detroit making screwdrivers and such. Got these Buck Brothers wood carving tools. Doesn't say where it was manufactured, but this really nice wood handle. About 10 3/4. Flat blade. Pretty decent tip. And I don't know if you can see. It says made USA. I want to say that's an H for maybe her brand with the diamond. Can't be 100% sure. No other real markings on it. But yeah, this is a cool screwdriver. Found a portion of a combination square. Yeah, so all I gotta do is find the ruler. Up next, this really cool find is this Irwin micro dial number 22 in a case. Comes with the auxiliary bit. So on this, loosen up the shaft. Okay, what's supposed to happen is this is supposed to move. You can dial it. So this definitely needs to be cleaned up. Oh, you pull it out, put it wherever. I don't know. We'll have to work on this. Anybody seen anything like that before? And then I found this spud wrench. It's Tremont Manufacturing. It says Tremo. Yeah, spud wrench. So that'll be a fun cleanup. So another tool haul. I found this angle finder. It'll clean up. Fun project to work on. I don't see any brands on there. Oh, I do. It's a Stanley number 25 TB 8-inch. So yeah, this is a Stanley, so we'll clean this one up. Missing a piece of the brass, but yeah. Got this 10-inch made in the USA. This has been guaranteed pipe wrench. Found a proto clutch drive. A crescent. A crescent screwdriver. Good tip. A Stanley 100 8-inch. 8-inch. Stanley 100. 100 plus. Somebody turned the tip into a chisel. We'll have to clean that one up. Just a junk. Ball peen hammerhead with some divots taken out, so we'll have to clean that up. Definitely fix that. Energizer Industrial 2551 flashlight. Flashlight was actually in the free pile on my way out the door. This number 175R USA Stanley little keyhole saw, and found this Diamond K14 Diamond USA little pair of slip joint pliers. So I kind of got a little set here of mini diamond tools, so that's kind of cool. That was from a different tool haul, so yeah, this is pretty cool. Well, everybody, what do you think of those tools? What was your favorite? I really like that Tremo spud wrench. Yeah, and those diamond mini tools are pretty cool as well. So till next time, stay safe, and we will check you later.